Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.1, now problem number 5. 4 persons live in a conical tent whose slant height is 19 centimeters. So L that is equal to 19 centimeters. Number of persons in a conical tent that is equal to 4. Each person requires 22 centimeters square of the floor area. So the base area of the conical tent is 4 into 22, 88 centimeters square. Because how many persons in a conical tent? 4. Find the height of the cone. That means you have to find out the value of h. Slant height is given. Number of persons given. Each person requires 22 centimeters square of the floor area. Therefore, this is a base area. Base area of the cone that is equal to 4 persons into 1 person floor area is 22 centimeters square, which implies base area, that this is in the shape of a circle area pi r square, 4 into 22, that is 88, which implies pi that is equal to 22 by 7 into r square that is equal to 88. We can cancel by 11 table, or you can directly cancel by 22 table. 22 ones are here, 22 fours are. Therefore, r square that is equal to 4 into 7. Write 4 into 7 as it is. Now I am going to take the square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. If we take square root, the square root of r square is r, 4 square root is 2, 7 square root is root 7. 4 is a perfect square, 7 is not a perfect square, therefore 4 square root is 2, 7 square root is root 7. What is the unit? Centimeter. Now, we know the value of r. Now, I am going to find out L. Without knowing L, no chance of finding h. Sorry, you are given that value of L. Now, you can easily find out the value of h. Therefore, height that is equal to formula square root of L squared minus R squared. We know that equals square root of, what is the value of L? 19. 19 square minus R square. R here that is 2 root 7. 2 root 7 square. Now we have to simplify. That is equal to 19 square, that is 19. 19s are 361 minus. We have to square both 2 and root 7. 2 squared is 4 into root 7 squared is 7. That is equal to square root of 361 minus 4 7s are 28 equals 361 minus 28, that is equal to 333. Square root of 333 equals square root of 333. Now we have to find out the square root of 333 by long division method. Listen carefully. So 333. After that, after decimal point, you can add n number of zeros. So we have this is an integral part, this is a decimal part. In integral part, we have a 333. Now we can go up to that 17 17s are 289, 18 18s are 324. So we can go up to 18. 18 18s are 324. Okay. No chance of taking 19. If you take 19, here also you have to take 19. 19 19s are 361. That will be exceeding 333. So you can take only 18. Now you have to subtract. 333 minus 329, that is equal to 9. Then you have to bring down 2 digits, 00. Now you have to keep the decimal point over here. This number 18 should be multiplied by 2. 18 2s are 36. Here we can go up to 2 times only. Here also 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 6 are 12. Balance 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. If we take 3, here also have to take 3. 3 into 363 will be exceeding 900. So no chance of taking 3. Now subtract. Since 0 have to borrow here, it will be 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 9 will be there. 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. Here 8 will be there. Already we have borrowed 1. So 8 minus 7, that is equal to 1. Now you can bring down 2 more digits, that is 00. Okay. Now you have to consider as 182. 182 into 2, have to multiply 182 by 2, will be getting 364. How many times? We can go up to 5 times. Even 5 into 3645, that will be exceeding 17,600. Can take only 4. Okay. 4 4s are 16. Balance 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. Balance 1. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 is 25. Balance 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, that is 14. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. 9 will be there. 9 minus 7 is 2. Here 5 will be there. 5 minus 5, 0. Here 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Look at that. 3 6 4 4. Here 3 0 2 4 only. So no chance of taking 5. So that I have taken 4. Now for getting the book answer, I take 2 more zeros. You have to bring down that 2 more zeros. Okay. Now this is 1824. 1824 should be multiplied by 2. If you multiply it by 2, we'll be getting 3648. So how many times? We can go up to 8 times. Here 8, here also 8. Now we can multiply it by 8. 8 8s are 64. Balance 6. Then 8 8s are 64 plus 6, that is 70. Balance 7. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7, that is 39. Balance 3. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3, that is equal to 51. Balance 5. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, that is equal to 29. Look at that. Nearer to that, 3 lakhs 2,400. Correct. We have to subtract now. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 9 will be there. 9 minus 0 is 9. Here 3 will be there. So I have to borrow 13 minus 9, that is equal to 4. 1 will be there. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here 0 I have to borrow here. So 10 minus 9, that is equal to 1. 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. It is enough. So 18.248, that is equal to 18.248. It can be rounded up to 2 decimal places. Even you can stop the answer at this stage. For getting the book answer, now write the first decimal as it is. Add to decimal point 2, write as it is. Look at that, the third digit, 1 2 3. 5 or more than 5, you can add 1 with the previous digit. Correct? What's the number here? 8. So you can add 4 with 1. 1 with 4, that is equal to 5. 2 4 becomes 2 5. You just write approximately. So what is that? H value, that is unit is centimeter. 18.25 centimeter. That's all. Problem number 5 is completed. Then I'll be teaching problem number 6 in the next video. Thank you, children.